Hey everybody, welcome to Massimo Motivation. My name is Christopher Massimo, and today we're going to talk about how to ensure positive change. So stay Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Christopher Massimo. Today we're going to talk about how you can ensure positive change in your life. And in particular, we're going to talk about a mental diet. So it's exactly what it sounds like. So just like a regular diet, what you put into your body, how it changes your body, how it changes your energy levels, what you consume media-wise, what you consume relationship-wise, really ensures whether or not you're going to grow in a positive way or a negative way. Now, I'm a firm believer that at every given moment, we're getting better or we're getting worse. I don't believe that people can, even at a biological level, stay the exact same. So you're either getting better or you're getting worse. And in large part, you can ensure some form of growth just by ensuring that you have a positive mental diet. So what does that mean? It basically means, what are you consuming? Are you consuming empty Netflix shows, or are you consuming documentaries? Now, you don't have to always watch the History Channel or Animal Planet or something like that. You can read, you can listen to podcasts, you can have a weekly session with a therapist, you can have mentors, you can have the right friend group, you can have a 5 to 6 day workout schedule where you go with certain people and you guys talk about life. But making sure you have some type of consumption on a daily basis, could even be spiritual, that is positive in nature, will change your filtering system, your mental filtering system of the things that you deal with on a daily basis, and that alone will open the door for some type of positive change. And if you do it long enough, you ensure some form of growth. Another one of my favorite sayings is, you can't go broke making a profit. So long as you're consuming good stuff that is usable, stuff that is applicable to your life in a positive way, you will move in a positive direction. It's just whether or not you can do it long enough, and whether or not you can sustain the right type of people in your life to do it. Okay, so what needs to change? What needs to change first and foremost are the people you spend your time with. There are toxic, soul-sucking, negative people that all they want to do is complain. Now, I've done another video on the difference between complaining, venting, and constructive communication, so be sure to check that video out. You'll know the difference by the time you're watching that video, but the first thing you need to do is take those soul-sucking people and remove them from your life. I know it sucks. You've probably known them for a long time. They may be your ride or dies, blah, 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 blah. Take them, can them, out. They gotta be gone. The more you keep investing in those relationships, the more you perpetuate what may be a very negative to neutral cycle that you have with them. And you need good people in your life, just good people. The next thing you can do is find something that you enjoy, consumption-wise. Podcast versus YouTube versus whatever. Something that you enjoy media-wise, and then filter that down to who do you enjoy? Do you like, I don't know, who's your favorite YouTuber? Who's somebody, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, somebody that I love. So I would consume something positive from him. Find somebody that you're naturally pulled towards, that there's this intrinsic pull to consume their type of information. You maybe feel comfortable with them, or you relate to them, and use that as leverage. That way you continue to go back to it very naturally instead of force feeding it to yourself. But here's the key, and here's the problem you're going to have. Here's the problem where most people are going to have. It takes a long time. It takes a long time. Your negative cycles were created over a long period of time. I don't know how long, but it was created over a long period of time. And your mental diet has to exist as well for a long period of time. But if you stick with it, and again, this is the purpose of the video, if you stick with it, you will ensure positive growth. Ensure positive growth. I don't know how much. I can't tell you how much it would be. I can't make any guarantees on that, but I can guarantee that if you consistently consume the good, you consistently consume the applicable, the successful, the usable, your life will get better. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Take a look at your mental diet. After this video, sit down, grab a piece of paper. Yes, a piece of paper. I know it's 2020, you have cell phones and stuff, but get a piece of paper, get a pencil or a pen, write down the 5 people who are you closest to, and write down what you're consuming on a daily basis in terms of like Netflix shows, radio shows, whatever the hell you consume. Write that bad boy down and really ask yourself, is that helping me? Be honest. It's probably not. But check it out. Check it out and then change it. If this video was helpful for you, please hit that subscribe button. As always, comment below. Let me know what you think. And remember, mind, muscle, maximize.